Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is me, Jacob, or Dahlee, and today I have a brand new video for you guys today. I'm in my car right now, and I'm going to be filming a prank video. Now, I told my mom that I'm just going to go outside and film something really quick, so she's not going to come out here and wonder why I'm sitting in the car. But I'm going to do the baby powder hair blower prank. I almost said hair dye. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bunch of baby powder into the hair blower, and I'm gonna try to get her to take a shower, blow dry her hair, you know. And she's gonna do the blower, and then it's gonna blow all into her face and her hair. I don't know how this is gonna work. I really don't know, but we're gonna jump right into it. So I'm gonna have to try to sneak her out. She's in my room right now watching TV, so we gotta be quiet. See you guys in a second. Peace. Okay, guys, my mom's in the other room. I have my baby powder, and baby powder. I have a hair blower, and I've seen videos on this. I think you just put it in. I have no idea. This is a cheap hair dryer, anyways. You just pour it out. Oh, nuts. It's all coming out. What? How do I get it to stay? I'm gonna test it out. Hold on, I'm gonna test it. Alright, guys, I tried it out. It works, dude. Even though it came out, it's coming out from back here. You can see, look. Even though it's coming out from back there, I turned it on and just went, and I put a little bit in. I'm gonna put so much. Let me show you guys this real quick. Let me show you guys this. Look at this. Look at that, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to clean that up. I need to leave no trace of anything. Okay. So I put in a little bit on that one. This time I'm gonna put so much more. I just don't want it to spill out everywhere. Okay. I put the baby powder in the blower. I have to clean up the bathroom. There's baby powder everywhere, dude. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is me, Jacob, or Dahlee. Today I'm with my mom. We're going to be doing a vlog. Annabelle 2 just came out, and me and my mom go see scary movies all the time. So we're actually going to be going to see Annabelle 2, get dinner, go to the gym afterwards. But I'm a little skeptical because I hate going to go see movies with her because mainly she always screams. And the movie is nothing that scares me. It's her that scares me. And I really do not like going to get see movies with you. Always scream.
Well, because Jacob, when things happen, I don't scream at scary things. I scream when things suddenly happen.
Well, why?
I don't know, Jacob. It's just what happens when you go to movies. So it's just the way it is.
Your eyes were closed. The first time I said,
what? What the? Jacob, what the did you do?
The first couple of seconds.
What the is this like ass powder or something?
The first couple of seconds that he was starting to go.
What is this?
Look at your face. Like, show me, look at me.
Seriously, Jake? Just get out of the shower. Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Where are you going?
Take another fucking shower. Bye, Annabelle.
Oh my god. So if you guys saw in the way beginning, dude, there's stuff all over my camera. Oh my god. If you guys saw in the way beginning, she had her head down, her eyes are closed, because right before she blows dries her hair, she always has her eyes closed. So she had her head down, and she turned it on, and it was slow turning on because of how much was in there. And oh my god. Instant replay right now, dude. Your eyes were closed. The first time I said,
what?
Hey, Mom.
What?
How mad are you?
Jacob, what is wrong with you? I offered to go to the movies and everything with you. This is how you repay me. You put powder in my fucking... I hope it was just powder.
Hey, you still want to go to
Fucking hair dryer in my eyes, in my nose, in my hair.
You still want to go to the movies?
Fuck no.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you did like this little prank. It was really funny. See you guys in the next one. Have a nice day. Peace.